Okay, quick review and a look at the new Inkbird that I've just bought. It's the IBT-6XS. This one takes, well, it's got, I think this one comes with 4 probes, but it can take up to 6. So let's have a quick unboxing and have a look of what we've got. What's the rear? What's on the rear? So it's saying it's got a wireless meter range of 50 meters, which is 150 foot. It's chargeable, so it's got a lithium battery that you can charge. LED display on it, 1 year warranty, and the temperature range is from 0 to 250 Celsius or 32 to 482 Fahrenheit. Alright, what's in the box? Let's have a look. What comes? So we need to open this. Nice to be prepared, ready to open something. There we go. Right, inside, warranty card. So that's a must to send off. And there are instructions. So, yeah, there's that. Right, inside the box, these are to clip the probes onto the grill. And how many we got? We got 2. So, yeah, so you can clip those to the grill to get the ambient temperature in whatever you're cooking in. There we go. Charger. I think there's a Type C connector. Let's have a look at the probes. Actually, we'll get this out, so we'll put that to one side. Put that to one side and move this to one side. Right, here we go with the probes. So we got 3 cooking probes that it comes with. Which are quite nice, quite a decent length. And let's just, if I undo this, we can have a look at the length of the lead on there, which is I reckon that's probably about 1 metre length. Yeah, the actual lead's probably about 1 metre, maybe a little bit longer than 1 metre, but around 1 metre in length. So yeah, not too bad length on it. So we put those back in here. So they're the 3 probes. Well, I said it comes with 4 probes, and I believe that one is for ambient temperature. So the other probes are for cooking. This one's just to tell you the ambient temperature in the Kamado or on the barbecue. Let's move that out of the way. Right, now in here is the actual unit itself. It's got a little bit of please close for the reading close. Please seal fact notes. Right, so it's got that on it, so we'll peel that off. I'm not expecting this to turn on because I've not done nothing to it, so if it's holding a charge then it'll turn on, but if not it won't. There's the charger. quite light, quite well, feels sort of like rubbery. I believe these are sort of like splash proof. I don't think they're waterproof, but they're sort of like splash proof. And let's try turning it on. Oh, it turns on, so it's got a little bit of power. Yeah, wants me to do stuff with it. I'm not sure yet what to do. I'll have to read through the instructions to actually see how you set it up. I'll pair it with the phone in a minute. So yeah, there's that. If you look on the sides, you've got your port for charging through the USB, and then you've got there's two there for your probes to insert. Quite light, not great weight, but it's you know, it's okay. I'm not sure if this has got to go in a certain way. I don't think so. So yeah, so I would imagine that goes something like that. Yeah, like that. So what we'll do now is we'll have a look at pairing it up with the phone. So put that to one side. I've already downloaded the Barbecue Go app. Let's just try it and see what happens. So if you have a Barbecue Go device, you can pair it with your phone. Here, start. So it's now looking for this, and that has just started to flash to say that it's sticking out signal. You've probably got to do something else with this, but we'll see what happens. Short press on your device once. Oh, I see. So it's maybe that. Short press on your device once. There you go. Done. So that now is synced with the unit.
Okay, so a quick look at the app itself. There's a timer there where you can set the timer, and then you can go on to the presets, which are, well, ham, chicken, everything there. It's telling you what temperature the beef's got to be set to, say 49 for rare, or if you go to medium rare, then 54C, that it's got to be the internal temperature until it's done. We go to chicken, 74. So yeah, that's a quick look at the app itself. It's pretty straightforward and easy to work out. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you when I can get another one up and show everybody. Thanks for now.